Hello, beautiful, wonderful people of the internet. It's Kendall here. Last time I was here and I showed you guys a Myfirstwig wig, y'all were shook. Y'all were like, where did the lace go? ¿Dónde está el lace? Lace 어디 갔었지? I want to know. Where to go? Even influenced a few memes, and this one is my personal favorite. Take a second, breathe it in, laugh a little bit. So today I'm going to show you guys how to safely remove that wig that left everyone so shook it. Girl, you got a little bit of glue, like, there you go. The glue that I use that word loosely, this isn't really glue, it's gel, to put my hair down. Now, if you messing around with this glue, you can't fight the glue. You got to work with the glue to take it off. Don't try to be bald but you won the war. Like, I can't stress this enough, because you will lose your edges, and I'm not joking. I mean that very literally. You will be bald. You're going to use a little bit of a cotton pad with some water, and I also like to drop a few drops of oil on it. This is just a face oil that I use for my face, and I'm going to soak that onto my lace and just dab it until the glue, quote unquote, the gel, whatever you want to call it, loosens up. I can't stress enough, if the glue is not loose enough, please do not just go ripping it off. I tug on it very softly to see if it's like loosening it up, and if it's not, I don't force it. I'm just gonna soak her a little more. This is not a very time consuming process. This will take you maybe 2 minutes, but don't rush it. If it's taking you longer, let it take you longer. If you really need to, you could hop in the shower to let the steam really loosen it up, but I never found that it's been that serious. But if it, for whatever reason, you use too much gel and it's just not coming off, that is something that could be an option for you. But I'm letting it soak around the perimeter because that's the only place I gel down. I don't do it down the back because I can't see the back of my head, so I don't do that, but you can. And slowly but surely, the wig gonna pop off. And now I'm bald-headed. But beyond that, I still have edges. And 6 months ago, that was not the case. Maybe not 6 months ago. Almost a year ago, I had no edges because I was very, not very careful with my hair. So there you go. I still have my hair. I still have the wig. And we're all good. Our lace is still intact. Nothing's ripped off. You will have a little bit of residue from the gel. So you're going to want to have to scrub that off in the shower with a little shower gel or a little bit of shampoo rather. I like to do a little preliminary lifting with some cotton pads, but that doesn't really work. But yeah, so there you have it. From where's the lace to there exactly it is. God, I look like one of the Peanut people. Is that the Proud Family movie? I'm killing it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.